company which I am working.
Yeah. Stay. No, start.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Satish. I work for the state government. Out of the 5 C's which ma'am taught, today I will be talking about courtesy. What is courtesy? Courtesy means showing politeness and considerations to others. It is all about using our good manners. It is being polite and using words like please, thank you, etc. It is being aware of the feelings of others, being mindful of what will make them happy, opening door to someone, wishing and smiling at a stranger on the road, letting the caring lady have the last seat in the bus, writing the thank you note for the gift what we have received are the few examples of courtesy. Then, why we should practice and cultivate the habit of courtesy? Our present society is all about competition and individuality. Even in such scenario, it is this courtesy which differentiates a true human from others. People appreciate it when you treat them with thoughtfulness and courtesy. In life, it is actually the small things that are really counted and are important. Just a little courtesy, like a pinch of salt, what we show to others, make them feel appreciated and cared for. By practicing courtesy, we are being loving and kind to our Almighty because we are showing love to the people He has created. And through courtesy, we can develop more fully and we can have better relationship with others. Then, what are the ways by which we can learn courtesy? There are many ways we can, through which we can learn courtesy. But I would like to mention a few here. First thing, being grateful for what we have, accepting our mistakes, appreciating the qualities and the talent in others. Stop comparing ourselves with others, helping others, compliment others, practicing gentleness. There are other ways also. These are a few examples. Let me talk more about courtesy. 12th century Kannada philosopher and social reformer Basavanna has told Dayave Dharmada Moolavaya, which means the foundation or the root of any dharma or religion is Daya. Friends, as we all know, Daya means courtesy, compassion, kind, generous, gracious, mercy, pity, humble, etc. So, through Daya, that is through courtesy, we all are indirectly following our own religion. Here, I would also like to mention a quotation from a famous Kannada poet, Kuvempu. Yenadru agu modalu manavanagu, which means whatever you want to be, become a human first. Friends, today I like to tell, we all can become a true human being only when we have courtesy. I would also like to share a few sayings here. Dalai Lama has said, my religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. Famous American author Mark Twain has said, kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Talking about courtesy, definitely it would be unfair on my part if I don't mention the name of the wonderful and an inspirational lady, Mother Teresa. She has spent years together, loving and caring one and all, helping the most poor, sick and the needy people. I would love to share a few sayings and quotations of her. She has said, being hungry, naked and homeless is not a real poverty. The real poverty is being unwanted, uncared and unloved. The best remedy to remove this poverty is by practicing courtesy starting from our home. The other quotes of Mother Teresa which has really inspired me are, if you judge the people, you don't have time to love them. Peace begins with smile. Kind words are very short and easy to be spoken, but their echoes are truly endless. Friends, let us all learn courtesy to a maximum extent, and we should all become a true human being. With this, I would like to wind up my speech. Thank you.